Okay, you guys, this is your boy Batman of Inglewood signing in. Yeah, check out this bike, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anyways, this video is not gonna be too much about the bike. It's gonna be about. Sorry to have to say this, but all of you fucking pussies out there who be worried about the goddamn police when you're riding e-bikes, please stop with the pussy shit. Y'all grow some fucking balls. Please be a fucking alpha male. Stop with this beta male shit. It's like everybody's mama and daddy is a woman now. And everybody's acting like a woman. Please stop with the pussy shit. The fucking police don't give a fuck about you on your e-bikes. Yeah, I've been to court twice in 8 years. Okay? Or in 9 years I've been doing this e-bike shit. I've been to court twice because of the fact that there is bad apples. There's always a bad apple on a tree. So you're always going to have, sorry to have to say this word, but you're going to have a fucking pig every now and then trip. But for the most part, police officers don't care about this shit, about whether you have pedals and whether it's or actual motorcycle versus being a technical bicycle, okay? So on the real, man, stop. Just stop worrying about it. I hear so many e-bikers on YouTube just talking and woofing every time they see a police officer. They want to record the police, rolling away, and then they start talking all this nonsense. Oh yeah, I don't want to have a supermoto seat on my bike because it looks like a motorcycle and they're gonna pull me over. Man, shut the fuck up with that pussy shit. The police are not worried about you. They're worried about actual criminals, rapists, killers, muggers, people with knives and guns that don't belong, you know? People who belong in jail, people who are actually on, or let's say if you're on a bike but you're acting like a dumbass idiot on the road with your bike. Yeah, they're gonna pull you over. It's gonna get attention. But for the most part, when you're on a bike, you can just ride. I ride past the police all the time, going a little bit over the speed limit. The only thing they do is look at me, they give me a thumbs up. They roll their windows down. They ask me, how fast does it go? I tell them it goes 60 plus. I don't lie to them and say, worried about that class 1, class 2, class 3 bullshit. They don't care, you know? This is this type of stuff that guys do, and for the most part they understand that as long as you're not being an asshole on the road or doing real crime, they don't care. So please, to all you YouTubers out there and all you people watching these videos, don't listen to none of these people who go on rants about the police. The police not petty like that. They have much better things to do than to wake up and think about how many people on e-bikes they're gonna fucking pull over today. How many e-bikes they're gonna take from people. Stop it. Stop it. Please stop. So, again, Batman of Inglewood, signing out.